and special for the rubber band as well. So let's as friends try and wish them in our own style what makes them special for us and why do we like them for a special reason. And we'll start with one person at a time, starting with Varsha. Each one does a 10-second or a 15-second continuously for both of them. First they say for Prabir, then for Anjali. Right? Starting with Varsha.
We are good in English now. We all.
Happy birthday, Prabir. I really admire his singing. Though I've seen very few of his performances, he's a very good performer. Happy birthday and have a very good, prosperous life ahead. Anjali, she's very close to me and more so after the trip. So I wish her a very happy birthday and I hope she stays with us always as a part of our big family. Happy birthday.
Great. We'll go to Kishore next.
Kishore
was anyway standing here. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Prabir and Anjali. Belated birthday wishes. First talk about Anjali. A few months back and very nice friend to move with. And not to forget, she's an amazing singer, very hardworking. Gets the perfect pitch at the right time. And then talk about Prabir. He's my very close friend from Hyderabad. We are almost a roommate for 3 years. Almost. Yeah, almost to another.
We are roommate for almost 3 years.
Almost 3 years. And we share lots of things. And very nice person, very nice friend for life. Happy birthday, baby.
Okay, we'll go to Kaushik next. Next to Kishore in order.
Shik. Okay. Hey, first of all, happy birthday, Anjali. I just got to know her pretty recently, only through the trip. She's an amazing singer. She has a great voice, and she seemed to be a very lively, a very bubbly person, fun-loving. I think that's what I know about her, and I think we teased her like hell in the trip. I'm not going to say sorry for that.
Because we're going to continue.
Of course, we're going to continue. And Prabir, as we call him Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. A wonderful guy, a great friend. I just got to know him through Kishore. So, and he's also a pretty good singer, fun-loving, always there to help you out. So, I just want to wish you both a happy life, happy future. Separately.
Hi, Prabir and Anjali. Firstly, Anjali, yeah, she's a very good singer. She sang one song with me. She's a good company to sing with, and she's very down to earth and really a good singer. Now, Prabir, yeah, he's a very energetic person. His song always comes from the heart, and very good person. Both of you, very happy birthday.
Suvi.
Hi Anjali, Prabir. Anjali is a very sweet friend of mine. What to say, she is very nice singer, good in nature, and keep singing. And Prabir, of course, very great singer, very genuine person, and all the best for your future.
Well, happy birthday Anjali and Prabir. Anjali is very hardworking and I like her the way she practices the songs before going on stage. Even if there are 5 minutes, out of the 4 minutes she'll practice because she wants to give that best to the audience. And that we can see on stage as well when she comes on stage. And I really admire that quality. And Prabir is pocket size powerhouse. We can never imagine that that kind of sound can come from his small mouth. Really, and he kills such songs with a 100% performance. I like that. Hope to see him somewhere singing for Bollywood sooner or later. Okay, all the best both of you. Great.
Naresh.
Good evening and happy birthday both of you, Prabir and Anjali. Yeah, I still remember what Murliana told that day, Dada Ka Ada. So we'll call him, I want to call you as Dada Ka Ada. And he was a very good person and he supported me in the music room so many times for the song and the music. And Anjali is a very good friend of mine and yeah, many more happiness of the day for both of you. All the best for you both.
Adi.
Yeah, hi Prabir and Anjali. And to tell about Prabir, I have heard him singing some old songs and old Hindi songs, which will be very nice to hear by with his voice. It will be very nice. And especially to tell about Anjali, yesterday only added her friend on Facebook, so I don't have nothing to say about it. But anyway, I have heard good songs from Anjali too. Thank you.
Renga Alais. Surulmudi.
Hi Prabir and Anjali, wish you a very happy birthday and have a great year ahead. And Anjali, and she's a very good friend of me and she's a very good singer in Anjali man. she's a very good singer for the Rubber Band and Prabir, I don't know much about him, but he's a great singer and he's a great guitarist as well, as I know. So I wish them, both of them, have a great year ahead. Happy birthday once again. Separately.
Jeff.
Happy birthday, Prabir and Anjali. Prabir is a very talented. He will not be. Better. So Prabir, as we know, is a very talented singer and a guitarist. I love his performances. Happy birthday, Prabir. To Anjali, Anjali is a very special friend of mine. Always fun-loving, always fighting with me. I think we had a great time and hope we'll have some more as well. Happy birthday, Anjali. And now, Mike.
Alright. Clap after somebody speaks. Somebody starts. Okay, Prabir, the first up, happy birthday. Obviously, we've known each other at close quarters. They say that when you actually argue and spotted the differences of each other, that makes you even more stronger. That's what is the case with me and Prabir. We've had a lot of differences, which has made us stronger as a friend and as a bond. Everybody comes with differences, me, you, everybody, and Prabir and I, musically a lot of challenges, etc. we've gone through, which has got these memories even more awesome. To me, one adjective which Prabir stands for is soulful. Whenever, whatever, be it a soft song, a rock song or a Damadam Maskalandar he sung, it comes directly from the heart and it's completely soulful, whoever hears it. So it's something that when Prabir gets into action, he just goes into a different mode altogether. And I'm one of the few who's witnessed him in that mode in Reboot last year, which to me was one of his best performances ever. And in fact, he sung a song, the Reboot, before that as well. Yes. Right? So when compared to that, I think the last Reboot was magnificent. Prabir is extremely soulful. Not many people are blessed with such a soulful voice, and he's obviously on his way out. I wish him great luck, and we'll obviously be in touch. Just one request for him is we'll try and increase more memories that we share with the band and be friends. We don't know if we will get the same set of friends again, so I'm requesting him to come back to the band whenever time permits. And personally, I know a lot about Prabir, so I'm extremely proud that I have a friend like him, because he stood for a lot of things personally in his life, and he's making a lot of people proud on that purpose. So you are an awesome friend, people who know you closely. I think so there's some awesome stuff that you're doing and you inspire people in your own way. Keep that going. Anjali, happy birthday Anjali. And Anjali is somebody whom we've seen grow, like how Ranga, actually Ranga and Anjali have similar paths to the Rubber Band, I could call it that way, because both of them started off as one among a group performance in last year's TGIM anniversary show. Both of them were a part of the band. They just started to be a part of the band last year, and being a part of the band, we wanted to definitely accommodate them last year. But this year, both of them individually have put their hand up and already have reserved a very special slot in the anniversary show. That talks about commitment. And for me, one adjective which Anjali stands for is hard work. Very difficult. It's easy to say that everybody puts hard work and all that stuff, but if somebody wants to learn how to actually practice for a performance and give its 200%, I think so she's an example. Maybe along with PD, who puts in a lot of hard work in terms of his performance, I think so Anjali stands right up there. Extremely, every performance of her has been an illustration of how hard work comes on stage, the kind of effort that she gives to try and make even a simple thing, try and make it extremely, extremely powerful, which is awesome. She started off as a singer, as a dancer last year and all this stuff. Today she's risen up as one of the best female vocalists we've had in a long time. So hard work talks about it. That's a thing that we've got to learn from her. Obviously, we've spent a lot of wonderful moments with the gang, with the trip, and all the fun moments in the band room and the parties and everything. So that will continue. Very, very, very wonderful person by heart. Extremely good friend. Obviously, she's got a lot of wonderful characteristics in her, which is coming out beautifully in different interactions with the band and as friends, as the M&S gang in the trip, etc. So wonderful, wonderful friend to have. Extremely jovial, straightforward. very, very caring, obviously, and but the adjective that stands for her, top of all of these things, is hard work. Keep that going, Angie. There have been at least 50 different female vocalists who've been a part of the band in the last 6 years, and you rank definitely among the top 5 that we've had ever. So that's the biggest compliment I can try and give you today. That is completely talks about your hard work. I wish many, many more amazing Mondays. Try and help us create more such memories. Have a fabulous year ahead. Keep smiling nevertheless. Thank you so much, Rubber Band, and thank you so much, both of you, for creating so much wonderful memories with the band. All the best for your future. Thanks a lot, guys.